How much is the ink?
Why not?
So these are the old Sony TVs.
Yes.
How old is that train set?
From the 40s, 30s.
Usually with the UPC code is 1988.
My dad said he had it from when he was a kid.
Yeah.
But I was so happy to see like it's executives that are going now, the C-suite, and that's what needs to go.
That is
for
what
sure.
needs to
Yeah.
All right, be back. How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. How are you guys doing today?
Doing great.
Good.
How much is this?
That's $1.
Oh.
Oh, I like the old Coca-Cola. That's cool.
Right. You guys finding any good stuff?
Oh yeah, found tons of stuff.
Good. That's awesome.
Let's get sheep faced. Resting witch face.
Yeah.
Love those. That's a cool little pumpkin.
Oh yeah.
Those are cool.
Awesome.
That'll change.
Yep.
You're a big Halloween fan, huh?
My daughter, yeah. She lives for Halloween, and I told her it's got to go. Running out of
Oh, that's
space.
neat back there.
How much is the ink?
The ink, they're $2 each.
What size is it?
130 bucks, but they're
Oh, is this one used?
no.
Always keep a lookout for ink, even if it's expired. Ink sells great on eBay. Both these actually sold within days of listing them.
Oh, I forget when that one print.
Oh, this one's missing one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Is it, or does it just come with the two?
It looks like there's a 4-spot. Hold on.
Oh,
It's
gotcha.
missing. No, wait, maybe not. Hold on. Black 3. Nope, they're all there.
Yeah. With the shape of them, it's like they're not right.
Hot Mess Express.
You got no other Halloween?
Just what's on the table. It's mostly household goods.
I like those
Yeah.
skulls back there.
Right, the skeletons. Yeah.
How much are the mugs?
They're $2.50 each.
$2.50 each.
Yep.
So
Or
cool.
3 for $5.
3 for $5. Oh my God! Is it White Castle?
Yeah.
You from Jersey? You from up north?
Michigan.
Michigan?
Yep.
And it had to be from up north if you had White Castle.
White Castle, yeah. That's meaningful to some.
Mhm.
Right? Awesome. Thanks.
Both those.
Okay.
2 each, right?
Yep.
I give you 5.
Give me $1.
Yeah.
Sorry. That's what
I see what scheme you're running.
I thought 3 for $5. Right? That's
Yeah, no, you're good.
Well, thank you. All right, have a nice day. And welcome. Hi, guys. Hello. No, I sold that one already. Sorry about that.
Okay.
I gotta put a sign that says sold.
Oh.
Yeah, how many people have asked me for that?
Who's on first? That's cool.
They talk.
Do they?
They say the whole
Wait a
thing.
minute.
Who's on first? What's on second? I don't know who's on third.
Oh.
How much you asked for the Sony TV?
Well, $10, but I mean, is it gonna work? I don't know. You just want it for
I don't know. It's
a
cool.
better offer.
You don't know if it works.
It turns on, but you need the rabbit ears.
Yeah.
I don't know, what kind of stations do we have that are local?
Take 5 for it.
Sure.
I'll buy 5.
My husband would have said yes, right? I'll tell him that you took it.
You change her to 10?
Yeah.
I don't know. How much are you have? What's on first? The guys that baseball players that talk?
Yes, I know what
No,
they are.
no. I see how much you have on them.
Who's on first? What's on second? I don't know who's on third. That's what I want to find out. I want you to tell me the names of the fellas on the St. Louis team. I'm telling you, who's on first? What's on second? I don't know who's on third.
I'd like to say 10
10. That's cool.
because they do talk. It's still working.
Yeah. So it's a comedy. It's a comedy skit.
Routine, yeah.
Yeah. So. Nah. So these are the old Sony TVs. I think this is from the 60s, 70s. Yard sale music put you in the mood to buy stuff, right?
Yeah, you think it's your sale.
As you can tell, the music was playing really loud, so I have to talk over this part. But I came across this table. It was filled with all these vintage old photos. These photos are from the late 1800s, early 1900s. The cool thing about each one of these, they are original, but each one of them has their own frame. So that will help me when I go to sell them. She wanted, I think, about $4 or $5 a piece for these. We end up working on a deal for 6 of them for $12. So my cost is about $2 each, which is, you can even get the frames for that, which is great. So I think we should do pretty well on these. I have a thing about old photos. It just really touches my soul. All right, so these are super cool. These are old antique photos. What I'm thinking about doing is I paid $12 for the entire lot, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna put them in one big lot and then sell them as a whole. But super cool. Hello. Herbert. I like Herbert.
Here, you can put it in the truck.
What's electronic greeting?
Put it in the truck. You don't have to carry it.
SCG. We have in the Herbert.
How much?
How much
Yeah.
for that guy?
250, 250.
You really got to appreciate this kid's hustle. He's sitting outside in the heat trying to sell off his cards. Even though some of the cards are priced a little high, I wanted to buy some Jalen Hurts cards just to help support him since I'm a huge Eagle fan. Unfortunately, he couldn't find them. Is that a Marvel chess set?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. All the pieces there?
Yes.
What are you asking for that?
I was asking for 20, but
Are you sure all the pieces are here?
yeah, you can put it together if you want. We only used it one. My son is a chess master,
Oh, okay.
so we have so many chess boards, and
That's cool. Does they
you
hit me?
just open it, just do it one time, and that's yeah. So that's those pieces, and I think the Hulk is the other one.
Yeah. I'll take your word on it.
Yeah.
Would you say 10 for it?
15.
15? I'll have to think about it.
Okay. No problem.
I remember coming to this complex.
I don't know, maybe I'll buy it for 15.
It's 20. But yeah.
Yeah, I will. My stepson will love it, so. Guys, I want to take a brief second from this video, let you guys know, only about 15% of you guys are actually subscribed to the video. So if you guys want to know every time we drop a video, get a notification, do us a favor, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps with the channel. And now let's get back to picking. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Oh, that's super cool. The little kid inside me wants to, the little kid inside me wants to buy that for myself.
You need that.
Right? Yeah.
I don't need that.
Right on the kitchen table.
Yeah.
Counter. It's nice and small and compact. It fits anywhere.
Yeah. I will be divorced by the time my wife gets home. So cute.
Oh.
Morning. Here you go, Dad. Big thing of fireworks. With some mortars. How much is the Star Wars Monopoly?
5.
5. Is it complete, you know?
I have no idea.
No, I gotcha. Grab that for me, thanks.
God knows I've played since I was 10.
It's hard to know tell if they're all there.
Yeah. St. James Place, I don't think that's part of the Monopoly.
No.
Part of the Star Wars one.
Yeah, I don't think that's. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'll probably all the pieces are there. Take $2 for it.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Keep an eye out for these special collector's edition Monopoly games, especially when it comes with like IPs like Nintendo, Star Wars, Simpsons. Even if the game is incomplete, the little pewter figurines can actually sell for about $10 to $15. How old is that train set?
Train set's 150.
No, how old it is?
From the 40s, 30s.
No, it can't be from the 30s.
My dad's. He tried to give it to my kids for Christmas. And I'm like, Pop, this isn't the kind of train you let a 2-year-old play with.
Let me see the back. It might be on the side. I mean, just look at the other side.
Yeah.
No, it's not on the back side. Usually with the UPC code is 1988.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't think it was. I didn't think it was with the colors.
Well, I apologize.
No, that's okay, man.
I changed that Facebook ad.
Yeah.
My dad said he had it from when he was a kid.
Yeah.
Oh, that sums up. Actually, remember when Dad said he had this train from like when he was a kid? It's from 1988. That's
I don't know. Maybe when you were a kid.
All right. You guys have a good day.
Thanks, guys.
Yes, Mom.
I need to give you this for that wreath.
Is that two Scoundrel thing, Mexican? I said you moved. Yeah. Right here.
Are they all inside?
Yeah. Where did she get this money?
I don't know. She said she wants that wreath. What does she want with that wreath?
Oh, so
You took money from their grand shop?
She gave it to me.
you do 5 for one?
For one of those?
Yeah.
Sure.
We probably would have bought them both, but someone wrote. It looks like someone wrote on the bottom of that one.
Yeah.
Keep a lookout for Christmas items, especially vintage ones or high-end Christmas items, because they do sell all year round on eBay. And this one's actually a high-end ornament made by Christopher Ratko. So if you do see those, pick those up. We were able to flip this within a few days of having it listed. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
It wasn't nobody asked him to go do it. He did it. Yeah, on his own. I can't find the date on here though. I'll have to ask Dad. I'm stuck in here. I know everywhere.
It's that time of year.
Yeah. Just a matter of hitting places when they still have stuff like the morning version.
Well, right, yeah. Yeah, we're not.
How much are your pins?
I think my husband said he would take 10 for all of them.
10 for all of them?
You're gonna be like, I don't want all of them.
Take 5 for all of them?
That's a good question. Well, he's not here, so I'll say sure.
Okay. And if he gets mad, just tell him someone stole them. These pins are from 1992. They're a bunch of Florida Gator pins. I usually do pretty well with pins, so I'm expecting to get probably about $15 to $20 a slot. You should, if you can get your card thing going, you should turn it. You should incorporate and just take a loss.
Yeah.
That needs a battery.
I wish I knew more about all that stuff.
Yeah. Does the Sony tape deck work?
Yes, it does.
Is this one free?
It's free. Everything on this table is free.
Thank you. That's awesome.
Yeah, it definitely works. It was just a case of we don't have cassettes anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're moving, and anything we don't have to move.
Yeah, all much easier, for sure.
It's in great condition. It looks excellent. Well, you have to say if it's free, it's for me, so thank you.
You're very welcome. I thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Yeah.
You know that?
Cool.
That's cool. What year is that?
81.
81?
Yeah. That's perfect.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Man, you guys are all into racing, huh?
Yeah, yep. That chapter's done.
Morning. Got more movies? Okay.
Done a lot of Johnny Depp. My daughter was in love.
Oh, okay. How much are the VHS?
I'm sorry?
How much are the VHS?
I have $3.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, the sign on it. Huh. Help if I look, right? Reading is fundamental. What do you do, a bucket piece or something, the VHS? Okay. I would do a bucket piece. I would have 6 of them then.
I'm sorry?
I said I have 6. Like the old horror stuff. So these aren't worth a total, but for $6, I put these in a giant lot, and they'll sell pretty decent. Okay.
That's from probably the 90s too, because that's when we had our bikes.
Oh, the Harley.
Yep.
That's cool. What do you ask them for both of them?
5 apiece.
5 apiece. Cool pieces. You got any more Harley stuff? Other, I see a hat there.
Just that. That's it. The rest of it I've already sold over the year. You can try it on.
It's a cool piece. This. You got some CB radios, huh? Do they work?
Do the radios work? I combine 2 people.
Oh, you don't know.
I would bet the top 2 do, but
The bottom one now.
they were, when we bought this place, they were tucked away in a filing cabinet.
Oh, really?
Just like you see them.
They came with the house.
They came with the house.
Sorry, my camera battery is about to die here, but we did buy the 2 blankets, and we got all 3 CB radios for a total of $20. CB radios can actually sell for parts that they don't work. We should do pretty well in this lot. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Check out this other yard sale video that we went to. Until next time, make sure you guys are keep picking and punching.